Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So what is the adiabatic process and system? So it means no heat transfer, so that's the process. And for the system, it doesn't interact with its surroundings. It doesn't exchange heat. Okay, so that is the short summary. Alright. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this channel or video gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using sniffing tool. If you never used it before, follow the instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in sniffing tool, open up the program. Click video option, click new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.